Hi there, I'm Andy Hillier and today I'm going to teach you how to play Circles by Post Malone. Really easy song to play. We've only got 2 lines to learn which are basically the same, so it's pretty easy. It sounds like this. So, just before we learn that, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel, which is Andy Hillier, if you could give me a like on this video and give me some comments or any requests for songs, put them in the comment section as well. Okay, so let's learn it. There's basically 2 lines and they're almost identical. There's only one little change. We'll see that in a second. So, we're going to start off with a C major 7. If you've played a C chord before, it's a C chord without your first finger on. If you haven't played that, it's just your second finger on D2 and third finger A3. So that's C major 7, and then we're going to go to this G/B chord, which is just going to be, to start with, your first finger on A2. So your first finger on A2, and you want to play the middle 4 strings, so not either of the E strings, just the middle 4 strings. It doesn't matter too much if you hit the E string nearest the floor, that will work in with it. And that lasts for half of the bar, and then you're going to put your third finger down onto B3, and that's still a G/B, but slightly different inversion. So you've got C major 7, G/B, and then you add the third finger onto B3, and then it goes to an F chord. We're going to do like the slightly easier version of an F. So your first finger on B1, second finger on G2, third finger A3, and little finger on D3. And that's going to do it for a bar. And then you go to F minor. And this is the change that's in the chorus. You don't go to F minor, you just stay on that F for the 2 bars. But in this part, we're going to go to F minor, where your third and fourth fingers stay on the same place. But you put your first finger flat across the G and the B strings at the first fret. And that creates F minor. Then it goes back to a C major 7, and then the G/B, same little change, going without the third finger and then the third finger on. Back to the F chord, and in that last bar, it goes F for 2 beats, and then goes up to G, which is going to do the same shape but up 2 frets. And then that's the whole thing. So, let's just play the chords when they change. You change to the second chord on beat 4 and. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 and. So it changes before the bar on to go to the G/B. And then it jumps on 3 and to go to the other where you add the third finger down. Hopefully that makes sense. It's easier probably if you hear it. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, then F, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. And again it changes to the F minor on 4 and. Hopefully this is making sense. So C major 7, G/B, and then you add the third finger, F, F minor, and then it goes around it all the same. On the last bar it does 2 beats of F and 2 beats of G. Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And with the strumming. So for that I'm going down, 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 up, changing on the next up, down, up, and then to the F, going to the F minor, same kind of down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. So put it all together. hopefully that makes sense. The only slight difference in the chorus, you just stay for F on the third bar of that line, so it doesn't go to the F minor. So that will sound like this. And that's the whole song. So you just got to play around. So the verse, the intro, the verse, and the bridge are all the same, going to the F minor. In the chorus, just don't go to the F minor. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed this little lesson. If you have, if you could subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate that. If you could give me some comments down below, if you've liked the video, if it was too fast, too slow, or if you just want to say hi, that'd be amazing as well. And any requests of songs you'd like to learn, put them in the comment section down below. Give us a like. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you next time.